Okay, we're going to smoke and sear a beef tri-tip. I've never tried one before, but we're going to try it. I'm going to season it with this Smoke Infused competition smoke seasoning and see how it works. Well, we always take it up to 350 degrees at least for about 5 minutes. This is to ensure that we can eliminate any bacteria that may have been left from the previous use. Okay, we're going to put our tri-tip in here, and we'll be smoking it at a temperature of about 250 degrees. And okay, there's our tri-tip. See if we can zoom in on it a little bit. Okay, this tri-tip isn't very big. I think it said it was 1.33 pound, which that's not a whole lot, but it's enough for me and the wife. So we're gonna smoke this at 250 degrees, an internal temperature of around 125, 130-ish, something like that, and then we'll bring it off and put it on the grill and sear it. Okay, we're going to get everything set. I've got water in the pan below. I always line this, it makes it easier to clean. We're going to put the temp probe in so we can keep an eye on it. The wood pellets we're using is a competition blend by Pit Boss. Pit Boss Pellet Smoker. I'm not getting paid for this advertisement. I've purchased everything we're using here. I like the Pit Boss. We fired up the old grill here. Going to let it get up to a good hot temperature, and then we're going to sear that tri-tip. This pellet smoker really does a good job. Reached the internal temperature of 131. I need to get this off of there now. It went a little higher than I wanted, but it'll work. Now I'm going to season it with a little bit of head country. Oh, this stuff is good. Season it a little bit on both sides, and then we're going to put it on the grill and sear it. And it looks like the smoker left some good grill marks. Okay, we've set it in there. We're going to sear it, and on both sides here. Okay, for a little bit. We'll see how that goes. Getting some good marks. Move it right there. Okay. Well, we're through searing it, and the internal temperature is 151, which is more to the medium well than the medium rare, but the wife and I like it this way. Well, I believe this is done. It's time to eat. That's a good looking steak, tri-tip. This is the first time I've ever smoked a tri-tip, seared it. Matter of fact, this is the first time I've ever tried tri-tip. It has a rich, beefy taste. I can't explain it, but it really tastes great. I used a temperature of 250 degrees. I came to an internal temperature of 151, which made it medium well, I'm sorry. And the wood pellets I used was competition blend. It didn't take long. I don't think all of this took over an hour and 10 minutes. Well, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and you're more than welcome to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.